Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making both devices discoverable, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on phone and laptop, and confirm location permissions. Once done, open Nearby Share on your phone and the Share panel on the laptop. Make sure both are awake and unlocked. You'll see device names appear. Select the target laptop from the phone. This step creates the connection handshake, so be patient while the devices negotiate encryption and transfer preference. This is why visibility and permissions matter. Once your laptop appears, pick the files you want: photos, documents, even multiple items. Use the phone's Share menu and choose Nearby Share, then tap the laptop name you validated earlier. You'll see a prompt on the laptop to accept or decline. Accept to begin. Transfer options determine whether files send over Wi-Fi or data, so choose accordingly. As the transfer proceeds, monitor progress on both screens. Slower files or many items may take longer. After the transfer finishes, accept the incoming files on your laptop and confirm the save location. Then open a file to verify integrity. If the transfer stalls or fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, then retry the send. Connection resets fix most issues. If problems persist, make sure Nearby Share has storage and location permissions. Both devices use compatible accounts or guest mode, and that battery saver is not restricting background transfers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.